Kibichomelo lwa myamwela musole kubuhamazi umwangala Bulozi auli kumsa kayona miru patalaza kuzolera mwatoropo ya Mungu mwa Bulozi. Makande Mwa Silozi mwabalelwa kina Nathan kufuna wa mundila. Hautarimeni faritoho za Makande. Mubili wa NYANDI MUKWAE MBUYWANA UFITA mwa MUNGU. SICABA sa YUKA SIKILITI sa KALABO BABATA MIKWAKWA ni MEZI AKENILE. PILA mwa LUSAKA BAKUPA MUETELELI HICHILEMA KUNYATELA MULAO wa tobacco. Mi ni Makande kakutala. Mubili wa NYANDI MUKWAE MBUYWANA baone batimezi la 5 school 2026 mwatoropo ya LUSAKA ufitile kachenu mwa MUNGU mi ukabulukiwa la butano 10 school 2026. NYANDI MUKWAE MBUYWANA nelimu ikulu wa imutakwandu umulena lewanika mini bainzi mwaka maiso ya sabaka sakatongo kaufela mwa SIKILITI sa MUNGU. Undi ni nyangela manduna bamulonga wa Bulozi ni bayemere bamuso ni bakopa ni kwali bala la fly la MUNGU ilikuwa muhela mubili wa NYANDI MUKWAE MBUYWANA.
As government, we received the news of the demise of the princess with the deep sorrow and the shock. As you know, she was one of the people that has collaborated with government in many ways. You know where MUNGU District Hospital is situated, that is an area under her jurisdiction. So, as you can see what has happened now, the repatriation of her remains from LUSAKA to MUNGU, that is government's demonstration of the high esteem in which we hold the relationship between central government and the traditional leadership. The traditional leadership what hosts central government, and the people under the traditional leadership, the citizenry, form the citizenry of our country, Zambia. So we value the role that the traditional leadership plays, and we receive the demise of the princess with the deep sorrow.
Omusalimu abasikakula kulimwende n'abanane kutukubona bakuli nabawire asaba wire chwale kona mulu twezi kuli bawire ko fitogomnya kwa bedroom no kiwe kona mulu kwa ule kulo baskwao ko bafumana bawe matabu kona mulu bana nwetu kwa tsakoli wanika muli wanika batolo bala kusubuli wo elita mieli zazi kona mulu bakwelisize fly kuya kwa LUSAKA niko na batolo bala kusubuli wo elita mieli chwale hapo kona saba Rusia kona mulu tulepo manana kwa kachenu utulonga mbili wabo na chwana kibumayi bobutuna uzamushemi asona ngeyo mubonzero pili yae zize kachenu kula ni munzo munchawe ni mangamba mwana obuzombuwana wasipopa kwa irute neli mushitu sibakasale ubizize bana bahaika fulago mutayi mutoya akwana kwako neli mushemi nabona nakuli neli mushemi na nizoro pili tunahulu kibumayi ko uzamushemi asona ngeyo. SICABA babapila mwa YUKA ili mwa SIKILITI sa KALABO mwa Bulozi bafitize kupoya bona kwa muso ni maluko amangwi kuba yahera MIKWAKWA ni kubabela MEZI AKENILE. Babulelezi mazi umwangala Bulozi kuli MIKWAKWA ibanani inani alo ni mashabati mibafumana ulu butata kwa nekula kufita kwa alipatela kuzamaisa likutuloza bona kuisa kwa misika hala amatata amangwi. Minha kulichwalo batongoka kutokwa hande MEZI AKENILE mibakupile muso kutalima fabutata bo kaputako.
In YUKA area of KALABO district, residents say they continue to face logistical challenges due to poor and sandy roads. They say the lack of feeder roads makes it difficult for them to access healthcare services and other essential services.
Now man challenges kuli foko mwanti muna ni mukuli wa mina yato kwa kumatira kwa spati ya pilipili, and then mkato kwa transport yeto kwa kuli mwabizaka mota mkafuma kuli mamota na nifo uyo kiyama limota zana nifo uyo kize nyani. And then mkafuma kuli nilite koze batulisa kize tunaulu mkakuli MIKWAKWA na nishabati ya ulu.
The community is now appealing to the relevant authorities to construct feeder access roads to ease mobility in the area.
Bashabati atenya kona aliko nalukupa kwa muso kuli muso kone kuluhupula kuli ulozi kwa teni MIKWAKWA ne fali kutaza luna kaofea kutayo na salunda kaofea luziele ile mshemi wakamuluhupule ahulu isike mwaluli bala kulikwano luli kwa yuka luziele ile lutokwa luli tuso ya kulutusa kwa mikwakwa ya luna
so lwakupa kuli at least kama lutusate ngwa mikwakwa kulusate mafidaro dalu tusa kwa teni.
Meanwhile, residents have also expressed concern over the lack of access to clean and safe drinking water.
Tokwa kulikambe muuso nokakona kubona fataba ya MEZI ninakoza kale sipata sa YUKA Adventist Mission Hospital nesi utusanga kana ko ya MEZI kona kavumai bakingisali tusiso kubonala kuli alina matande kukwanyisa sibakasi sibona kusese tuna abantu abasakona kulima miloho abasakona kubani magadeni abasakona kutali folofolo desona ngeli kuhu kapa dipuli kakulika kafaito kwa MEZI mikusina MEZI ni matuku akona kwa kuba mangata.
Despite these challenges, they remain hopeful that their concerns will be addressed in due course to improve their living conditions. Nchomonyasi Aminwe, Bulozi TV News, Kalabo, Western Province.
Mwinaspula wababancha mwana hakaofela ili mwakopano ya United Party for National Development UPND kabukuswani bogi ubate liswaniso bazozi pili kweza wipapato wabona mwabulozi MIKWAKWA SICABA Saloma wadi mwana alikwanda constituency kufakemelo kwa baeteleli bakopano ya UPND boliswaniso baize MUETELELI HICHILEMA usweli walika katata kutisazoro pili mwabulozi kono wikatazo wahaye usweli kunyazisezwa kibaeteleli babamu mwabulozi mi baikirize kutalusa koli MUETELELI HICHILEMA ulata hulu SICABA sabulozi mizeo hali lichwalo ya ipapata mwaluena constituency bomaliti chimwaso bakupile bo liswaniso kubona koli babancha ni basali bafiwa tuso.
The United Party for National Development UPND National Youth Chairperson Gilbert Liswaniso has continued his campaign trails in Western Province, where he has urged residents of Loma Ward in Nalikwanda constituency to support the party's newly appointed leaders. Speaking during a meeting with residents, Liswaniso said President Makande Hichilema remains committed to improving the lives of Zambians, genuine concern for the development of Western Province.
SICABA na mikupa hakuna muntu yala tabulo zinga kainde chilema yoko na nitifela ya mwabuze bali tulo zetu nakaopela ufilelu na kwanu sha kono kuna ni butata nilu napa filali tulo akuwana alwezi zambatamina yena kainde wabanja kono na hape wakala kumsinyeza kainde.
And aspiring UPND candidate for Luena constituency has appealed to Liswaniso to ensure that youth and women empowerment remain a priority, saying the two groups are key to the party's growth and the country's development.
Hamukaya kwa LUSAKA fa muyo mubulelela kuli akainde obulela kuli basali ka ufela kibasali bahaye kono babilaela babata kuli ni bale babanyezi nibona mwaka banohola kamali shako.
For Bulozi TV News, Celestina Mbewe, MUNGU, Western Province.
Ya ipapata kakwichemela mwaluena constituency bo mwala kalaluka baize basweli kwa muhera kemelo yetuna kuba boti mwasi bakasalwena habanze bazolapili mwa ipapatu babona mwaliketsa za uno mwaha mwapiho yefitisizwe kwa mazi mwangala abulozi bo kalaluka baize puso yabona ikatalima mafa kusepahala zwelopili yefita kumutuka ofela ni kubona ko lilitabaza bumutenda silia ni bumenemene za feliswa bo kalaluka ili baone babanga sibwabohe walikolola Home Affairs and Internal Security banyazize ka seberisezo kamali a Constituency Development Fund yona CDF mwasikiriti salimulunga mi bakana nakoli ni haike mali a CDF na sweli kusuli wasilimu nsilimo falilimo zeketalizo hoze fitile hakuna azwelo pili yebona hala mwasibaka salwena.
Be that as it may, our support base, our support across Rwanda constituents, all the 15 wards is growing tremendously. We are receiving massive support wherever we are going because our message is very clear. We want to ensure that there is equitable, accountable and transparent development delivered for the people of Rwanda constituency. The next 5 years will be quite interesting for the people of Rwanda constituency because certain things that we have noticed in the management of development fund financing in this constituency will change because we want to root out corruption and also cronyism that we are seeing that has been attached to the level of development in this constituency.
Luka pomula hainyani mwa pomula ya makutela kaufi mi luka mikutela kutozola pili ni Makande.
Coming up next on Linzwilamina, Lulivile Komandanga and Shangwe on a Fale Famsika Komandanga la Friday 10th of July. Kweli ona ye Shangwe la mema. Komandanga kaofela mtahe famsika na Fale Komandanga moho niluna milipuzolo mishimbezi kizepeni. Ya pili kikuli, what are you expecting from the aspiring candidates ahead of the August 10th polls? Diketa repeat na fakiri kama nzo mkuvela Shangwe kama aspiring candidates vamine mwasalanda samina Shangwe musa wabeli kikuli. What development do you want to see in the market in order for your business to grow? Kizolo pilifi mbada kuwana mamusika wamina mamandanga Shangwe kuli business ya mina yuhule en Shangwe. So mina koki 14 hours Friday ilona mumaskiti samangu Komandanga lufitile Shangwe amuitukiseze mazimwangala Bulozi ao rikumsa kayona. See you there.
Healthness Medical Center, nurturing health, empowering lives. At Healthness Medical Center, we provide high-quality, accessible healthcare for individuals, families, and the wider community in MUNGU and beyond. We focus on preventive care offering blood pressure, diabetes and cholesterol checks, HIV counseling and testing, and community health education programs. Our outpatient and maternal child health services support families with general consultations, antenatal and postnatal care, child growth and monitoring, nutrition counseling, and family planning. Our laboratory services provide routine tests, rapid diagnostics, and selected specialized tests, while our pharmacy ensures timely access to medicines with professional guidance. HealthNest is also here during emergencies, providing 24/7 care, stabilization, first aid, and referral services supported by rapid diagnostics and ready access to medicines. We help with recovery and rehabilitation through physiotherapy for children and adults, including clubfoot, fractures, cerebral palsy, neurological conditions, and soft tissue injuries. Our diagnostic services such as ultrasound and ECG help monitor progress, and ongoing preventive care supports long-term health. At Healthness Medical Center, we combine quality, compassion, and reliable care to nurture health and empower lives. You can locate us at 53120 Lusaka Road, Kambule, 7488 MUNGU. Contact us on +2609729265221. Our website www.healthnestmd.com. Healthnest Medical Center, nurturing health, empowering lives.
Muskemwa ya watu kiso ya Beyond the Ballot. Sipola selisingwi by papati bababeli. Lasunda 12 July 2026 kanako ya 17:30 hours. Lutsakumina by papati bamwawadi yalialui apa. Iliwona bomubitalu basi bakopano ya United Party for National Development UPND hama ochwalo ni bokwalombota stwala baba yema kakwichemela yona independent amfumane nako yakuteleza kwa milelo ya zulopili yebanani yewa watakwezeza SICABA salialwi apa kifamazi mwangala abulozi fela aolwikumsa kayona lasunda 12 July 2026 kanako ya 17:30 hours.
Not long ago, many children in Zambia did not go to school because their parents could not afford it. Today, 2.5 million children are back in the classroom, sitting on desks and being fed nutritious meals under the school feeding program. Markets are now peaceful with no kind of violence. Clinics stand where there were none. We did that together. Across Zambia, people are saying the same thing. We are on the right path. We are moving forward. Not without struggle, but always forward. There's still much work ahead, jobs to create, futures to secure. And that's why Bali keeps working day after day. Because just as we delivered free education, we will keep delivering. For every child still waiting and every family still rising. Until progress is something every Zambian feels. We've started the change. Now let's finish the job. On the 13th of August 2026, vote for Makande HICHILEMA as President of the Republic of Zambia. And let us continue to move Zambia forward together.
Jimitambula bakalifuti mulina kutolilira ku kitande cha mindindime cha Bulozi TV kulijundula cha Buloyi tuminenela program ya ndangwithi ya mbunda tolilileni na kulilongefa ndangwithi ya mbunda program ije tukaminenela kulilongefa majwi madhina na endekethi ya mbunda majwi ya mbunda na binkumbu byao muje kulilongefela hamulika mbunda tulongefeli mbunda mukutolilira ku program ino ya ndangwithi ya mbunda mukujundula bilika bya mbunda mukujundula endekethi ya mbunda mukujundula bilika mukutwala mukunyungilira bilika mukulilongefa na kubitolilira mukubilinga mbunda yoya mbunda yange mbunda yeni mbunda ijunduke tulilongefele hamulika twakandela kumwana.
Did you know that you've got the right to complain against any radio or television broadcast? Did you also know that every radio or television station has an obligation to respond and address your complaints when aggrieved? The first step is to complain to the station not more than 3 months after the broadcast took place. It is expected that the station will respond reasonably to you, that is within 14 days. If not satisfied, then escalate your problem to the Independent Broadcasting Authority.
We're at Mass Media Complex, Ali King Carter Road, PO Box 32475, Lusaka, or call us on +260 211 250589 or visit our website at www.iba.org.zm. IBA, promoting ethical and professional broadcasting.
Kiwitumelo milwa ikeza ni tukso ya Makande Mwa Silozi. Yaipapata kuyemela sivaka Samongo Central mwandu ya Milao ili fa kopano ya National Reconciliation Party for Unity and Prosperity NRPUP kabukuswani wo Bright Tombi vaipo zalipuzo nji loli mali a Constituency Development Fund yona CDF asweli kutusa SICABA sabulozi. Kuambola fatu kiso ya The Power ili famazi mwangala Bulozi Botombi babulezi kuli bungata babancha bene bakupire tuso ya pene ya CDF habasikafu manase sengwi konji fela batu bakubala kibona basweli kwikola mibasepsize kuli haiba bakaketiwa kuba muyemeli wasibaka Samongo Central bakabona kuli mashelengi a CDF aveleka misebezi ya zolopili kakulikanirela mama wadi kaufela
CDF yeluli heba iteni
akora kuli mwa dauta kula hiyo
na dauta kali bakale nikamfama bakakuli na dauta kuli wani kachenule mayusi wabaiteni ba hamukabatisa hakuna abaeza benefit kono inge baeza apply hakuna kono sina mumbulelezi a click kakwatafera kabatu abaeza kuli every year out every year in bene basina neka katemba sebana ni mandu akona fite ya 6 kebale kali mota de fite ya 5 ni matrack baba nyanda chwale CDF it is different few individuals chwale na I am a tested seat yeza kulinera muyo ichala amutoko ape kuyoketa kuliye isumpirwe kakuli kimoni fitile kona kuli ni yamwale enge niziba kuli heba CDF ite naziba kuli priority number 1 maodi mokifi mayusi nuwa wasona kwa component ya bona kakuli sisi ni buleza chwalo kikuli masherenya hata visa kwa utwa konomisero yao na ariboni
Watu wabamu bapila mwa stolopo ya Lusaka bakupile MUETELELI hakainde HICHILEMA kwa kufisa kunyatela MULAO wa Tobacco Control Bill miba filema mira ya kuli kuekeza kulia isa taba kukatiseza hulu butata kwa wiketo wa SICABA kuambola mwanga mbolo ni babihi ba Makande bamazi mwangala abulozi ili mwa tolopo ya Lusaka SICABA se baize kulia isa kunyatela na MULAO kubeya bana bana Zambia mwabutata bakengisa kuli batu basweli kuzuba kwai mutaka fululele vaikerize kutalusa kuli zazinizazi kuliyeha kwa kunyatela MULAO kuekeza kwa matuku atiswa kimusi wa kwai ili nto yekona kutisa mafu.
Residents of Lusaka have appealed to President Hakainde Hichilema to urgently sign the Tobacco Control Bill into law, warning that continued delays in enacting the legislation could put more lives at risk. Speaking in separate interviews with Bulozi TV News in Lusaka, the resident says the bill is a critical public health measure that would help reduce tobacco-related illnesses and death by strengthening regulations of tobacco products and protecting citizens from harmful effects of smoking. They argue that once signed into law, the legislation would contribute significantly to improving public health without negatively affecting tobacco farmers.
Of Zambia, we stand together for health and life. Tobacco harms our children. It harms our families. Don't listen to the lies of tobacco industry. Protect Zambia. Protect the people.
The tobacco industry is fighting against our health. They spread lies to protect their profits. They want their interests at the expense of Zambian people. We see their tactics. We will not be silenced.
The residents have since called on the Republican President Hakainde Hichilema to expedite the signing of the bill, saying that its implementation would mark an important step towards protecting current and future generations from the dangers of tobacco use.
Mr. President, stand with the people of Zambia. Sign the Tobacco Control Bill now.
Mr. President, we appeal to you to sign the Tobacco Control Bill for healthier Zambia, for stronger Zambia.
However, studies have shown that tobacco use is a leading cause of preventable death worldwide, as it exposes the body to thousands of toxic chemicals, causing severe conditions. Margaret Chota, Bulozi TV News in Lusaka.
Lufitile kwa mafelelezo tukiso ya Makande Mwa Silozi kona Lusaka ya kale harutalimeni hape falitoho za Makande. Mubili wabonyandi MUKWAE MBUYWANA UFITA mwa MUNGU SICABA sa YUKA mwa SIKILITI sa KALABO BABATA MIKWAKWA ni MEZI AKENILE BABAPILA mwa LUSAKA BAKUPA MUETELELI HICHILEMA KUNYATELA MULAO wa TOBACCO mwakona kubuhari tukiso zalona kaufela ili ifa TopStar fampwito ya 120 mwale wakaze tatama MUNGU limulonga nalolo LUSAKA Chongwe Chilanga likaloloza Sinanga Kalabo rufunsa mane nilibaka zeinzima bapa musakona kulubuha nifa likepela lona la Facebook lona la Bulozi TV fapila bumanjinela bo fanwe opiri inaimbele la Makande kina Nathan akufuna wa mjela kozo.